The quest to bridge the gap between the banked and the unbanked remains high on Kenya's development agenda. The days in response to that challenge, the Choice Microfinance Bank was formed and established. Choice Microfinance Bank is a microfinance institution that seeks to address the financial needs of communities that have long been neglected by players in the formal banking sector. Bernard Kamiri is the chairman of Choice Microfinance Bank.
The only thing that we feel that we can give this community is to make sure that they have financial inclusion, where we can take these people from putting their little cash or more cash in their shukas or their bedrooms or wherever, to bringing it close to us and close to the mainstream banking.
Choice Microfinance Bank has been licensed to operate as a community microfinance institution within Kajiado County.
So we are here this moment trying to provide solutions to the diaspora people. And obviously the institution is here in Kenya, so it's the diaspora versus back home.
And as Simon Gashunia, the bank's executive director, tells us, Choice Microfinance Bank's management is up to the task of reaching the unbanked with quality financial services.
Running a bank is a very technical business. So two things: professionalism and expertise, experience is really key for us. So we want people who have a hands-on approach to, they've done this before and they can do it again.
And no place is too remote for Choice Microfinance Bank. Regardless of the terrain, Choice Microfinance Bank's team is always ready to engage. Ready to blend in and listen to the needs of its current and prospective customers, whatever they may be. Kenyans living and working abroad who want their hard-earned money to work for them back home have also been crying for attention. And that's especially considering the remittances from Kenyans in the diaspora have been on the rise over the last 10 years. According to the Central Bank of Kenya, remittance inflows to Kenya stood at close to 131 billion shillings by the close of 2014, up from 31 billion shillings in 2004.
We do what we need to do and at least encourage or attract about 10 to 20% of that kind of money through our institution. It means you out there as a shareholder, your shares will grow very fast.
Choice Microfinance Bank has already commenced operations in North America with a view to being the preferred financial service provider to Kenyans in the diaspora.
We in the diaspora feel that we are left out, and we believe in not complaining but providing solutions.
This idea grew from diaspora. We have been there, done that, and we are trying to implement some of these ideas back here, and we can give the local people an international experience in banking. And for us, we think the sky is the limit, and this is a bank that 5-10 years down the line, it will be the share to hold. So if you want to be part of us right now, this is the time to be.
Choice Microfinance Bank is also keen on serving Kenya's micro and small enterprise sector with competitive products that meet their financial needs. Stanley Kasioka is the Deputy CEO and the man charged with mapping and implementing the bank's growth and business development strategy.
The team, I believe we have the right one, because whatever we have on board, there are people that underwent thorough and very aggressive interviews done by professionals.
At Choice Microfinance Bank, we are not going to borrow money from those big-time institutions, rather the Bretton Woods institutions, to bring it to our bank and lend it at very high interest rate. We've got a formula on how we are going to raise money, number one. We've got a formula on how we are going to lend our money and how we are going to go through the loss mitigation aspect and train our customers to be part of us.
In our research, we have realized that there are all these banks go only up to a certain point. So for us, we want to go the whole 9 yards to go to where these people are and take the services there.
Choice Microfinance Bank has already put up state-of-the-art banking facilities in Ongata-Rongai and Isinya, with more branches in the pipeline.
Our focus in our strategy remains very clear. We are going to play in 3 major markets. Number 1, it's going to be the SME market. Number 2 is going to be the individuals. And number 3 is going to be high net worth clients.
We're going to share the infrastructure and we will reach the entire country through this shared infrastructure. So in terms of ATM, agency banking, and all other channels of banking. So our people, our customers, we will give them the convenience of getting an ATM machine at your nearest place. We'll give you convenience of agent banking, mobile banking, and internet banking. So, but all this is through partnerships that we are already signing agreements right now.
All in a bid to create and sustain an unrivaled customer experience.
Welcome to Choice Microfinance Bank. How can I assist you?
Lydia Maingi Maina is the bank's Chief Executive Officer.
For us here in Choice Microfinance Bank, actually customer service will be the key thing, because we are looking at a place whereby you come, you are served very much, very efficiently, effectively. We are expecting you when you get into our bank. At least within 5 minutes, you are served at gone.
Choice Microfinance Bank has a wide array of products designed to provide a safe home to savers that want to move up the economic ladder.
And what we're saying, we are offering very inclusive products, whereby we have a range of products from savings product, loan products, insurance. So when a customer rides in this bank, it's like a one-stop shop, whereby they are going to get all that they want.
Details on the features of these and other products are available on Choice Microfinance Bank's website, www.choicemfb.com, as well as in brochures at its banking hall facilities.
Going forward, we have Kenyans, even friends of Kenya, be it whether they are in US, UK, Australia, wherever they are. These are people who have the capability of channeling their money in a packaged way. So we are saying that we are open. We are right now just a community based. We would like to go national. So we are inviting all people who would like to be participants or to be a part of this story to come and join us. And we are also encouraging especially the diaspora circles. These are institutions that have been born out of this country in a foreign land. If they cannot afford as an individual, they can buy as an institution. We can give them 5%, 2%, 3% of the institution. And then whatever dividends we earn, it will be given down to their own individual members. So the doors are open. We are also looking for people who can give us, or we can partner with them in terms of equity funding. Right now, we are not interested with debt funding because it's expensive to our young institution. So equity partners, if they're out there and they would like to join us, the doors are open for engagement. They can always talk to us.
Other banks have written their own story and you know about them. And now this is the time for Choice Microfinance Bank. And our story, we just spent the first paragraph. So watch this space.
Our mission is very simple. We are the preferred bank and we are the preferred choice.
Choice Microfinance Bank is here. And we are inviting all of us our stakeholders, we are inviting you because we cannot do it alone. But when you come, we can work together and the future will be very bright.
And that is the promise that Choice Microfinance Bank is making as it opens its doors wide for the unbanked, both here at home and out in the diaspora.
Get